I'm Jeanne Hecht. I'm the CEO and chairwoman of Lexitas. My vision is an audacious one. I want us to continue to live our vision, which is to help patients with cures, treatments, and preventions for life-altering vision-related illnesses. I want to help you. How am I going to continue to help you deliver on that mission? I'm going to do that by making sure that we have scaled capabilities in Europe. I'm going to do that by making sure that we continue to deliver fantastic advice from a regulatory consulting and advisory perspective. I'm going to do it by making sure that our operations continues to expand in supporting your device development efforts. And I'm going to also do that by making sure that I help you to address the primary and secondary endpoints that you need to be able to deliver on your clinical trials through a BCVA offering, as well as through medical imaging, and continuing to bolster that service offering that we have. We want to be your trusted partner. I think we have been for the last 12 years, and I want to continue to carry that torch. It's important to me that you feel like we bring the best of breed capabilities to you and to your development programs. I want us to be trusted by you. It's not something I take for granted. It's hard to earn that trust. And we're going to do that by being consistent and making sure that we're communicating with you about the efforts of your development program and each step along the way. Our people. I am proud of the work that we do at Lexitas. The people here are amazing, both what they do inside of work and what they do outside of work. Additionally, it's important that we have the right processes and the right systems so that the work that you entrust in us is delivered efficiently and with the highest level of quality. So when I think about what Lexitas has, we have a fantastic foundation as it relates to the people that we have in this company. We have a fantastic foundation as it relates to our operations and our operational procedures, and then also our systems. And I hope that you believe the same thing. Our industry is difficult. There are a number of public service announcements out there globally on different parts of healthcare, but there isn't one around clinical trials. So in 2015, I co-authored the paper, Clinical Research as a Care Option. I helped to coin that term. My entire goal there was to be good representatives and a good ambassador for the work that you're trying to do, bringing new products to market to help patients in need. When I think about clinical research, I think about it as a care option, something that can help patients lead healthier lives through decreased hospitalizations, lead healthier lives through having increased patient satisfaction, and a better overall care experience. And that's what CRACO talks about. It's about how clinical trials serves that purpose. Choosing a CRO, it's about bringing the best of breed and being a really good integrator of different capabilities. Those are capabilities that we have, partners that we engage with to deliver on your clinical trials, and being able to manage that entire ecosystem for you. So when you're choosing a CRO, you need to assess them on their ability to communicate, their ability to deliver on the contract that you have entrusted in them. That's no easy feat. And so it's also about enjoying the people that you work with. These are people you spend a lot of time with. So for me, when choosing a CRO, it's not always about dollars and cents. It should be about the people on the other side. I think there's a lot of different macro trends that are affecting ophthalmology sponsors right now. I'd be remiss if I didn't discuss the funding constraints that many of you are facing. I'd also be remiss if I didn't discuss the fact that across our research centers worldwide, there is a resource shortage of skilled technicians, skilled clinical research coordinators, skilled physician researchers. And I'd also be remiss if I didn't discuss the complexity that clinical trials are now facing, be it the types of technology that we're entrusting to execute our trials, or the complexity of capturing the clinical endpoints, primary or secondary. So when I think about what's affecting the work that you do, it's the fact that it's moving at a faster pace and with more complexity. And that in itself creates a challenging environment for many of our sponsors. In the clinical trial space, it's around optimizing workflow, specifically at the research center. So many companies are out there touting new technologies, and many companies are out there looking at how they can improve the workflow from when a patient is thought about to when a patient actually participates in a clinical trial. That itself is creating a level of complexity and an amazing level of opportunity for us. The other is how we can actually take the clinical trial to the patient participant. So specifically hybrid trials, decentralized trials, and there's some great work that's being done in that area, bringing the endpoint assessments directly to the patient's door or using virtual reality or different software systems to be able to capture the endpoints that are needed for the trial. The last thing that I think that's affecting and kind of some of the other interesting macro trends that I'm personally following is the use of real-world data. And so our ability to use real-world data to address either as a surrogate endpoint or as potentially even an entire arm in a clinical trial. So those are some of the things that I'm watching.